Hello YouTube viewers, my name is Daryl Dixon about Peace Digital, and I am going to be showing off this application I've been building over the past few months. It's a fully featured chat application that I made for a small organization by the name of Guide Magazine. They hold weekly chat sessions on their website, and I offer to create for them a fully customized chat solution to replace the current one, which is a Java applet. It's for something that was based on JavaScript and would be usable in the long run. As you know, Java applets, Java, Flash, all that apps of that sort were going out of style, and there's no support for it in Google Chrome anymore. So, this solution is coming time. So let's get right into it. I'm going to sign in with my account, my main account over here. And I have another account here. This is also an admin. And I have a regular user here. So, as you can see, this is the admin panel. There are 5 tabs that you can choose from. And this is the regular user. This is just purely the chat. For the admin panel, you have this 5 tabs. There's a chat options, rooms, users, and panel options. And I'll get to that in a second. Just want to go over the chat real quick. The core of it, right here, you have your rooms listed over here. And if you were to open this up, you would see users listed in the room. I'll actually join in a room real quick just to exemplify that. Open that up and join there. You see the users listed over here. You have the option of showing timestamps for messages. So, timestamp. These are the emoticons that are recommended, and you can set these recommended emoticons in the admin panel, and I'll get to that in a second. There are various commands available in the chat, and I can show you a few by typing in /help. There are currently 3 commands. The first one is change display name, or the short form CDN. This is how you change your display name for the chat. It is temporary and does not last if you refresh your browser. So it's pretty stored just in your current memory. A /topic shows the current topic of the room, which I think should be nothing for this. Yes. And / means you can talk. I'm not sure how to what this specifically is called, but you can basically talk like that. That's how it appears. Right. There are various options. You can join rooms 2 different ways. One, you can double click, or it's currently you can either right click and hit join, leave room, or you can double left click, and it will do that. It will join you to a room. There are various options for clicking on a username, like so. Click on a username, you get the options to mention, mute, and kick. For admins, you can kick. Admins can kick users. Regular users cannot, so they don't get the kick option, but they can mute. All right. So that's it for the panel over here. For the chat, as we know it. So this is another feature of the chat room. There can only be a certain number of there has to be a certain number of admins in a room in order for regular users to be in there. And since I had just left the room real quick, it kicked all regular users, so that's why user 2 is no longer in there. Yes, I'm just gonna leave the room. Now I don't need to be in there. So let's go ahead and explore the admin panel. So right, you get various options to customize the experience. Let's start with the second tab. There's chat options. Will specifically affect the chat room experience. Over here, you can ban certain words that you don't want to appear. You want to ban swear words or whatnot. You can enter that here. You can ban emoticons. In case you don't want to have certain emotes like the gun emotes. This is a Christian organization that I built this application for. So they do want to ban certain emotes like the gun emotes. Side note, we are using Emoji One in the chat, which is an open source and free to use emoticon service, which is really nice. They produce vector graphics, so that's really nice. Nice to have. All you have to do is attribute them and you recommended emotes. You can recommend emotes over here. See right here, these will be your recommended emotes, which would appear there. Right now we have the smile. Right here you can ban by IP address for whatever reason the IP of that you want to block from accessing the chat. You can enter that here. Access colors. If you noticed before, the color icons for the various users over here. Admins are black, regular users are blue. That's that. So you can change those colors right over here. So regular users are purple, admins are black. And here you can change the the server status, the chat status of the chat, so you can turn it offline, and it will kick all regular users. I'm not going to do that just yet because I'm still showing off how the chat works. Over here, the third tab is rooms. Here you can add new rooms. You can add a new room. Add a new room. You can indicate the minimum number of moderators that need to be in the room. And you can enter a topic. We can do that. That's that. As you can see, it's live, updated in the chat here for everybody to see. There, right there, right there. You can also edit a room. Change the name. That also gets updated live. You can also delete a room. So, and there you have it. You want to add a room, you just click this button right here. Users are listed right here, and it lists every user except for you in the in this panel right here. So you get to see some of the data. You can get to see their first and last name, their email they signed up with. You can view their username and you can change it. You can change their access level, and you can ban and delete their account. You can account ban, you can IP ban, and you can delete their account. And if you change the name of a user, they will be indicated and they'll have to rejoin the chat. This is not something that you would want to do often. It's mostly for like if they have an inappropriate username. So you would want to change it to something that's not inappropriate. And over here, this is the settings for the admin panel itself, which is the automatic updates for the admin panel. Which means that all admins which means all admins get the same data when another admin changes something in the panel. When I first created this, there was no automatic updates. So if an admin created something, made a change in their panel, it would not get updated for all the other admins unless they refreshed the browser. And this is the fix for it. And so now you can have the panel updates every so often. This is the interval 1 through 20. And you can also turn off the on and off the automatic updates like so. And they are saved in cookies, so you don't have to reset the settings every time you log in. Alright, so I'm going to kick this user now. I'm going to turn off the server to show how it looks. Yes, all users are removed from the room. And the message displayed there. Blah blah. So there you have it. That's my chat application. I'm really proud of it, and it's still a work in progress. There's still a lot of small bugs here and there that I need to improve on. Um, um, but yeah, it is still a work in progress. I'm making improvements all the time. This recent update, which was the panel options, was happened a few days ago, and I have more plans to improve the user interface. Let's be better across all browsers, and just to be more user friendly. So I'll be putting out updates for those changes when they happen. Um, yeah, I hope you like seeing how the chat is so far. Let me know what you think if you are watching this on YouTube. And yeah, if you do like watching development, be sure to follow me on Twitter. I do tweet about development on occasion, and Minecraft if I play that. And I tweet about projects that I'm working on. I have another project that I'm planning right now, which should be happening soon, hopefully. And I tweet about this. Also, check out my website. Should be in the description. PeaceDigital.net. My email will also be in the description. All the links you need, all of that. Subscribe to YouTube if you want to see videos that I upload, which will mostly be of development. But yeah, that's it. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you did like viewing the project progress. So I will see you in the